Understanding the phrase, riding for a fall. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, riding for a fall. This phrase has a figurative meaning that can be quite useful in various contexts. So, if you're keen on enhancing your English vocabulary and grasping the nuances of idiomatic expressions, you're in the right place. The phrase, riding for a fall, is used to describe a situation where someone is heading towards a failure or disaster, often because of overconfidence, careless behavior, or not heeding warnings. It's like saying someone is on a path that will likely lead to trouble or disappointment. This expression is commonly used in contexts where there's a sense of impending consequence due to someone's actions or attitude. While the exact origins of riding for a fall are a bit murky, it's generally believed to come from horse riding or equestrian contexts. In this setting, if a rider is not careful, or if they're overestimating their skills, they're quite literally risking a fall from their horse, which can lead to injury. Over time, the phrase has evolved to have a broader, metaphorical application in everyday language. To help you better understand how to use riding for a fall, let's look at some examples. In personal behavior, he's been skipping classes and not studying for his exams. He's really riding for a fall. In professional scenarios, the company has been cutting corners to save on costs without considering the long-term effects. They are riding for a fall. In relationships, she keeps taking her partner for granted. If she's not careful, she's riding for a fall. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, applicable in various situations where risk is involved due to negligence or overconfidence. When using riding for a fall, it's important to consider the context. It's most effective when you want to warn someone about the potential consequences of their actions or to reflect on the possible outcomes of certain behaviors. It's a cautionary phrase, suggesting that if one continues on their current path, they might face negative results. We hope this exploration of riding for a fall has been enlightening and adds value to your English language learning journey. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one enrich your conversations and writing, giving you the ability to express complex ideas succinctly and with nuance. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use riding for a fall when you see someone heading towards a metaphorical tumble. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.